Hello guys, welcome to MKA Coding. In this video I will show you how to make TextAfter function, using VBA code. But before making this function I will show you how this work. I will type TextAfter, which is custom function that I have made it. Press Ctrl Shift and A, this will show you all the arguments in a custom function. Our first argument is text, second argument is delimiter, which is \, I want data after the delimiter. So when I click enter, you can see it returns the value after the \. To write a VBA code, first we have to enable Developer tab. Right-click here and click on the Customize the ribbon. Make sure to check the Developer tab, and click OK. After this, click on the Developer tab, and click on the Visual Basic. This will open Visual Basic Editor. Right-click here, click on Insert, and insert the module. Now copy my code. In this function we will take two arguments, one is text, and second is delimiter. Now we have to find the position of the delimiter in the text string. For this I will take position number variable as integer. I will store the delimiter position value in this variable. To find the delimiter position, we use inString function. The inString function in VBA is used to find the position of a substring within a string. It returns the position of the first occurrence of the substring, or 0 if the substring is not found. To take the value after the delimiter in a string, we use write function. The write function in VBA is used to extract a specified number of characters from the right side of a string. Also I use here length function. Length function return the number of characters in a string. So if we subtract the position number of delimiter from the total length of the string, then we will get the correct value. This is for today. So in the future I will upload other function like text before or text between or sort function, which are only available in Excel 365. But I will make it for you in lower version of Excel using VBA code, so subscribe our channel so that you don't miss our upcoming tips and tricks videos. Thank you.